If you're like most retirees, you've worked your whole life to build a nest egg you can count on. But here's a question nobody's asking out loud. What happens to that nest egg when the dollar keeps losing value? Or when banks suddenly freeze withdrawals, like we saw happen overseas? That's why platforms like My Digital Money are catching attention. They promise a simple way to invest in crypto and precious metals from your retirement account. Sounds convenient, right? But let's slow down, because convenience doesn't always mean clarity. So I dug into the details. What I found might surprise you. My Digital Money is a self-trading crypto IRA platform that lets you invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or even precious metals, inside your IRA. They advertise military-grade security, tax advantages, and US-based customer support. On the surface, it checks a lot of boxes. But here's the twist. You're responsible for the trades. This isn't a hands-off managed account. That means if the market swings, and crypto is infamous for volatility, it's on you. And in retirement, that's a big responsibility to carry on your shoulders. Now, they do offer stop-loss orders and trigger orders, which can help protect gains or minimize losses. But again, you have to set those up. It's not automated wealth protection. You're steering the ship the whole way. Also, there's no guarantee that these assets will perform how you hope, especially if you're hoping to use them as a hedge against inflation or economic instability. Crypto can move 20% in a day. That's thrilling if you're 25. But if you're 65 and looking for long-term security, that volatility becomes a serious risk. Here's the part that really struck me. My Digital Money isn't a scam, but it also isn't a personalized solution. You're not getting a financial advisor who walks you through what fits your situation. You're opening a platform and making the calls yourself. And if you're not 100% confident in how crypto fits into your long-term retirement plan, that can lead to some very expensive mistakes. So what should you take from this? First, education is your most valuable asset right now. Not gold, not crypto, not stocks. Knowledge. Second, your retirement deserves more than a flashy dashboard and hope. It deserves guidance. It deserves safety. It deserves protection for your family and your legacy. That's why we put together a completely free Gold IRA guide and offer a no-obligation educational call for Americans with over $100,000 in an IRA or 401k. No pressure, no sales tactics, no gimmicks like free silver bait. Just real one-on-one help to see if diversifying with physical gold fits your plan. You worked too hard to build this retirement. Let's help you protect it for the next generation, with clarity, not confusion. Get your free guide today.